Well, all the talk lately and all eyes have been on the tropics with Tropical Storm Isaias right now, which made its way across the Dominican Republic today. And now it looks like it is starting to emerge off of the coast of the Dominican Republic and headed right towards the Turks and Caicos and heading up towards the Bahamas. As we go into the day tomorrow. You can see there's the center of circulation now making its way offshore. Still looks kind of ragged and disorganized. Not really terribly unusual considering the fact that it's been having some problems, at least dealing with dry air and also with the land interaction. But it's going to be heading into an environment, at least the water is going to be fairly warm, but it looks like it's going to be encountering even more wind shear, which is likely going to keep the intensity in check. At least that's the way the official forecast looks right now. 11 o'clock advisory, winds at 60, moving northwest at 18, so it's slowed down just a little bit. Pressure at 999 millibars. A little closer inspection here to the track kind of shows you making its way past Andros Island there, heading off towards the north, and just offshore of the Florida East Coast here. As potentially a Category 1 as we go into Saturday and through early Sunday before making its way off towards the north into the Carolinas. Right now, here's what we're expecting. Modest strengthening as it gets through the Bahamas and approaches the Florida East Coast by Saturday. Category 1, not out of the question. Strong tropical storm, probably most likely, but we'll keep you updated on the intensity. Minimal impacts expected here in Southwest Florida, especially based on the track. And even if it gets close to the Florida East Coast, the way the winds and the rain is basically wrapping around this system, most of it's on the north and east side, so it's going to stay off into the Atlantic as opposed to wrapping around and being over Southwest Florida. So right now expect the worst weather to stay east of the area. The forecast is subject to change, as always the case with weather, but right now confidence is pretty high at the present time that the track is going to stay just a little bit offshore. Very tightly clustered computer model forecast tracks here indicating high confidence in the forecast track over the next few days, hence the reason why they did go with that track a little bit farther towards the east, at least the Hurricane Center did. Tropical storm watch is in effect from Martin and Indian River, Martin, St. Lucie County, all the way down to coastal Miami-Dade. This is where we expect some of the strongest winds here if this thing makes a close approach, even including Lake Okeechobee, too. Big dip in the jet stream here. This is what we're watching, this trough that is trying to dig into the Midwest. There's Isaias right there. It's going to basically try to find that gap in between the Bermuda Ridge and also the trough of low pressure that's going to be coming into the area here by early next week. Forecast for tomorrow, though, a few scattered afternoon showers and storms. Right now, the chances about similar to what we had today, so not everybody's going to get rain. And then we're going to be watching the approach of Isaias from the south and east. We'll see some high clouds in the morning on Saturday, and then a few scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two here by Saturday afternoon. And the winds out of the north will pick up a little bit, but right now we're not expecting damaging winds, at least not in our area. You can see how far offshore our particular computer model in-house is showing, heading right through the Bahamas and then heading off towards the north and east, staying offshore. So we'll keep you updated on that, but right now not looking too bad for us here this weekend. 76 tonight, 94 tomorrow. Isolated chances for showers and storms. Ingman Marine forecast sees 2 feet or less. Winds becoming westerly at 5 to 10 knots. Here's your 7-day forecast. Once we get through the weekend, breezy and a few storms on Saturday, isolated storms Sunday, back to normal with scattered afternoon storms next week.